Hello. Thank you for trying out Tally eCom's Shopify integration tool. To implement the tool in Tally Prime, provide the Tally Prime serial number to the app installed on your shop. Now the tool provides us with an access token that we will need to provide in Tally Prime settings. Note that providing wrong serial number will not work. Open the relevant company in Tally Prime. Press F1, select TTLs and add-ons, install the relevant TCP in Tally Prime. Press F6. Enable Shopify API to yes. Provide your shop name/vendor name on Shopify. Provide API host name. API key is already filled. Copy and paste the access token from the app in the API password. This step is very important. Set API version to 2021-10/. Accept the screen. The tool is ready for its first communication with Shopify Store. Thank you.